Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to download Bitcoin Wallet on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. In order to download Bitcoin Wallet on your Android device, go to your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, go to the search box and type in Bitcoin and search. From the search results, tap on this application over here. Now, to download the application, tap on the install button and the download process for your app will begin. Bitcoin is a high security wallet that enables you to store your funds offline. You can connect it to your computer when you need to manage your funds easily. Once the application downloads, wait for it to install. Soon after it installs, you can simply tap open the application by tapping on the open button, or you can also find the application downloaded on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Bitcoin Wallet on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.